You are 6 months old today, and you're having your first food today. Yay! Well, you're not 6 months old today. You're like 6 months and like a week. But you're having your first food today. You excited for your brother to have his first food?
Yeah.
Yeah? Here's his first food. We got some avocado, super mashed up avocado with breast milk. You ready, Dad?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, Adam. Are you ready? We got some avocado for you. Are you ready, Michael?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Wait! Start. What do you think? Is it good? Yeah. You like it? Oh. What is that?
It's avocado.
It's avocado, Adam. You wanna try some more?
Today's first food today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's his first food today. What do you think? Do you like it? You kind of shrunk it. What do you? I have one little one awake right here. Good morning.
And now I'm sleepy.
And Adam is sleeping, yeah. Are you eating your breakfast?
Yeah, and now, yeah.
Are you all done with your breakfast?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. So Michael didn't like eggs when he was little. All of a sudden, he's been so into them. I don't know what's going on. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like them now, huh?
That one I want
You want more?
Yeah.
When he was little, he hated them. He would throw up every time he ate any. And now it's like, I mean, I've never actually made him a whole egg anymore because he didn't eat it before, but I might be able to now. New breakfast for you, Michael.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Paper.
Your brother's awake. He's moving around. I'll wait a little bit to look at him, okay? So we can play. Okay, let me see. What are we drawing? Where's Mommy gonna draw? Can Mommy draw on this one?
Not on this one. No, on that paper.
No? On which one?
On
On this one?
this one is
Right here?
perfect.
That one's perfect?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you want me to draw?
A happy face.
A happy face?
Yeah.
Does the happy face have hair?
Yeah.
Curly or straight?
Curly.
Curly? Okay. And long or short?
Curly.
Curly hair? Okay, but do you want the hair to be long or short?
Curly.
Long?
No.
Long? Okay. Long curly hair.
It has the happy face has hair.
Yeah, the happy face has hair. What do you think?
Yeah,
Is
good.
that a good drawing right there?
Yeah.
Huh? Is that a pretty good happy face with long hair? Okay, you ready? Okay, open up. Okay, turn on the light. Good morning.
When we go to the park, Adam. When we go to the park with Daddy, Adam.
Oh, we're going to the park with Daddy today?
No more parks.
Huh?
No more parks, Adam.
Good morning, Adam. How was your sleep? Good morning.
Who's Adam?
Look who's here, Adam. Brother's here. Brother came to play with you. Did you get tissue for your boogers?
Yeah.
All that tissue for your boogers. Oh, that's a ginormous piece of tissue. Come here. Good job. Okay, go bring me a book. Do you want to go bring a book or some toys?
Toy.
Okay, go ahead and bring some.
Toy.
So Adam sweats a ton in his sleep, especially in his head.
Read book.
And his head is so stinky every single morning.
Read book for me.
Okay, Mommy will read a book to you. His head is so stinky. Do you guys have babies with stinky heads? Because that one has a stinky head. Do you have a stinky head? Let me see. Let me smell your head.
I have curly hair. I have curly hair.
Not anymore. Your hair is not curly anymore. Oh, they haven't seen your haircut. Look, you gotta show them your new haircut. It's not obviously done right now, but he cut up his little curly locks. He has hair now, and you started preschool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you love preschool?
Yeah.
Do you like going to school and playing with your friends?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about preschool?
A baby.
The baby? What do you want to be when you grow up, Michael?
Like Ant-Man.
You want to be like Ant-Man? Wow. That would be really cool if you were like Ant-Man. And then maybe Adam could be your little sidekick. Huh? Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
What's going on? I feel like I'm being recorded.
You are.
Adam.
I've been trying to get things done in the morning, but not interrupt so much time with my kids. So I started doing just like a 20-minute cleanup in the morning, and usually with that I can like make my bed and sweep or vacuum really fast, like the living room, and then that's basically it. I can like make my bed, clean up our bedroom, and vacuum and clean up the living room really quickly, and just pick up a couple of things along the way. So I just set a timer for 20 minutes. That way the house stays a little bit tidy. Today I'm not making the bed because I'm washing the sheets, so I have my timer set. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my 20-minute cleaning. Adam is on the floor just rolling around, and Michael's reading a book, so I'm gonna do that really quickly. So all done, I was able to vacuum, put a load in, and clean up a little bit. I need to go to the bathroom. And I'm letting Michael help me because it entertains him and it keeps him busy, and I know what he's doing and I know he's not hurting Adam, so that's always a good thing. So we did that 20-minute cleanup this morning, and that just makes me feel like my house is a little bit tidier, and it just took 20 minutes, and as you guys saw in the clips, Michael actually helps me with it. Now I don't put baking soda on the carpet every single day, but he does help me with that. Yeah, baby. Or sometimes he'll sit down and just read a book, or you know, he'll help me, or he'll be playing or something. But it gives him 20 minutes of just playing independently when he does play, and it lets me clean up for a little bit, and I'm able to put Adam in like his jumper or his chair, and it keeps him entertained for a while. And it just makes me feel like the house is a little bit more picked up. Now I don't do any more cleaning besides that, basically like all day, unless they're both napping at the same time. Then I'll like, you okay? Yeah. Then I'll put like a load or two away, and I'll do like a small like cleanup, nothing too loud because they are both super light sleepers, and that's 100% my fault. So when I make a lot of noise, they wake up. So I just try to like do something that's very like quiet. And then also when they're napping, I like to just sit down and relax, because that's kind of like the only time where I'm by myself and they're both napping, so that's pretty good. And then I'll do some more cleanup at nighttime once they both go to sleep. I take like maybe 30 to 45 minutes of cleaning up, whether it's mopping or sweeping or dusting or whatever. I do more of like more cleaning at nighttime, and that's pretty much it. That way I can spend time with them and with my husband when he gets home from work. And then we do have like family time, and then I obviously clean up the kitchen like after dinner time, after lunchtime, but not like cleaning like where I have to be completely away from them in order to get it done. And that just gives me time to, like I said, it gives me the sense of calmness inside of me to know that my house is kind of cleaned up, like I did something today. But also it gives me a lot of time to spend with them, and it just took me 20 minutes, and I'm just able to spend a lot more time with them, which is nice, and I don't stress out about it so much. That's one thing that I've learned. When I first had Adam, I stressed out so much because the house was like a disaster, because I wasn't able to clean like I used to be able to with just Michael. It was so much easier with just Michael to clean up. Hey. And once I had Adam, it wasn't that easy because they both needed me and they both wanted me. And it's taken me a while to understand that it's okay to let your house get dirty sometimes. Like, it's not dirty but messy, like that's okay. And anyways, I'm going off on a different route. Anyways, now we're outside. We're gonna play for a little bit, get some sun so he can take a nap later. And I haven't figured out how to get Adam to take a nap in his crib when Michael is here, because Michael is very loud and he won't let me put him down for a nap. So it's just easier for me to put him in the carrier and have him fall asleep here, because I don't know how to do it. I can't. So if you guys have any tips on how I can put him down to sleep in his crib, let me know, because I don't know. I can't figure it out. I can't figure that one out, guys. We'll see how long he stays asleep like this. It's so hard to get him to sleep with Michael around because he likes to be very loud. So he's literally been doing this for like the last 20 minutes. Hi! Are you having fun? What are you doing? Oh, okay. So our fence is starting to look really good. We're not done yet, but Michael's been doing such a good job. He did these last pieces just this past weekend. We just need to finish off the rest. And there's tons of wood pieces still left, but we still need more. We're gonna put some more on that side right there as well. It's gonna look so pretty. And then we want to paint this like another layer of white, so it looks nice and pretty. And then our plan is to put some flowers all along the borders right here. So it's going to have the jasmines and then the flowers all on the border on this side too as well. So that's going to look super pretty. I'm so excited for that. It will make our backyard look so much better. And our grass is coming alive again because, you know, we've been watering Who would have thought watering your plants would make them live? Going on. Michael has the quesadilla. He's eating his corn. He ate all his grapes. His avocado. So good. And I'm basically eating the same thing, but I put some hot sauce on top. And I have some avocado right here for Adam. You are drinking leche. And here's Adam. You having some avocado, Adam? Is that so yummy? Uy, qué rico. Rico? Look at this, guys. It's Adam's half birthday cake. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So it says happy half birthday, Adam. And then they cut it in half. Yes, close it please. And we're gonna go and take some pictures outside in the yard. So cute.